Hello everyone. Let's learn how to record a video in which we will have our camera source as output with the background removed for a presentation that we want as a tutorial in a video format. So for this, we need our slide deck to be ready. So I have a sample slide here. Apart from that, you also need a recorder. So I'm using OBS recorder. If you don't have, you need to download it. We also need Zoom to remove the background. So let me open Zoom here. In this one, first we need to go to the settings. In the background and effects section, your current settings will be on none. You need to change it to uh, green background settings. You can do this by clicking on this plus section and then uploading a blank green image that you can download from Google, or also you can create it on Paint itself. So I have already uploaded it, so I take advantage of that one. Now your background becomes green and your video output source is displayed on the screen. Once you have this, you can close this one. You need to create a new meeting. So you have your video being outsourced on this screen, right? Now just close this one, drag it at the bottom. So you can keep it at the bottom. Okay. Now what we want is, if this is your OBS screen, here you want to create one new scene named video. Within the scene, you need to select the sources. So let's create one source for our presentation in window capture. And I select my presentation as the output in this one. So now you can see the presentation screen part of my screen is only captured here. I click OK. So now the window capture is capturing presentation. You can also change the name here. So you can edit it. And if you want to, if the name is not coming up, let me delete this and again do it. So I delete this part, create one window capture, name it as presentation. I will select the source to presentation, and so automatic is fine in this case. It is capturing. So I hit OK. Then I adjust it to the actual screen. Now I don't want this left side and the top part. So press Alt and hover over the cursor to the right end, and you can crop this output from right, left also, and finally at the bottom. So this is what we want. Then you can drag it to full screen, and maybe you can keep this slight cropping here. So you have this screen up here. You want the video now. So let's create another window capture for video. So let's name it Zoom. Now select the Zoom tab. Currently the screen is like this, so you need to change the capture method to Windows. Now whatever is the actual screen appearing there appears here. So you can drag it at the bottom left or right, whichever you want. You can zoom it, but currently the green background is also coming and a box will appear on your video. So this black line you can remove the same way by cropping and hitting like this side. You can crop here, similarly from right and top. You can make it big and drag it at the bottom. But now I don't want this green background. So for this one, let's go into the zoom source, add a filter, add a new filter here, select chroma key and hit OK. Now the default settings will automatically remove the background, but you need to adjust it based on the type that and gestures that how fast you will be moving your hand. So currently you can see it doesn't capture everything. So I will keep it for that part, technical part for later. But currently we just focus on the default settings. So you close this. Now you see whatever is there, and as long as you are within the screen, it will not, the cropping part will not come up. So you have to be careful about that. And you can start your recording here. So once you start it, I show you a demo. So hit start recording. Hello, this is just the demo of the video recording capture device that we set up right now. After this, you stop the recording and it will be saved at the location that you have selected. For me, it's desktop, so I go there and I play it. So as you saw, the recording has been done, and thanks for watching this video. Hopefully it will be useful.